further, next, that is a non-patentable invention. In European Union and in India, what we can say, in European Union there is a Article 52 and 53. These are giving details about a non-patentable inventions. And already about India we have seen that Section 3, which is giving the list of what we can say the inventions which are not patentable. And obviously we have also seen Section 4, right? So in Europe there are specific article. In Europe there is an article, in India there is a Section 3 and 4, and they are determining that which are the inventions which are not patentable. Now, the two countries follow an exclusionary approach as to what is mentioned under the statutory list cannot be patented, while that which is not mentioned under the list. Okay. In US, the statute describes what is an invention and can be patented. Unlike European Union and Indian approach, it will not express what is excluded. No? So it is not expressly excluding anything.